Hello guys, good morning. It's Sunday morning here around almost 8 o'clock in the morning. Wow, see this shrimp? Fat, good size. One of our neighbor here come up this morning and he sold this one. And I wanna clean this before I cook. Look at the shell. I don't wanna cook like this because there is a thorn. See, that's a thorn, and this is I need to get this one all, so when you cook is safe. So these are now I removed the cover. Wow, good size guys, shrimp, fresh. Our neighbor, she said that he get this one last night, fish last night. So this morning early, he come up here and sold this one for $150. I think this must be a 3/4, close to a kilo. You should see the size, very good size. And they said just cook that one that way, and I said no, I wanna cook very clean and nice to eat, like that, because when Philip will eat, so he don't clean anymore. And you know, it's so nice to cook like this. Remove all the skin. What do you call it? Shells? I don't know what do you call this one, but I wanna clean it, even if it takes so long, but it's worth it to eat. I'll be back guys. Hello guys, good morning. It's Sunday here. Welcome to my channel, Philippine Expat Country Living. Today I'm going to show you how to clean the shrimp. And I guess many of you don't know how to clean the shrimp. And there are some of you don't know if there is a intestine on the shrimp. So where to get the intestine? So for me, I want to show you how to clean the shrimp today. So I've got here a shrimp. Let's see this one. Wait. So here guys, the shrimp. I wanna make this one a calamaris. Then I want to clean it properly. And I want you to show how to remove the cover. So here, because I don't wanna cook this one like this and just cut the sharp here. No, I don't wanna cook that. So all you have to do is to cut the head. Okay, just pull the head, and there you go. That's the head. Let me see that. So the black one in the middle, that's the intestine, and I want to pull that. Wait. I need to move first the looks like a scale here. Let's move slowly. There. And stick your finger here in the middle. that one, and another one, and just lick it. After that, you hold here at on the tail, then another pail, just hold here and it will go. See? Nice. Look at the shell. So I don't wanna cook that because for me it's a hassle to eat. Okay. So this is now the finish. But then I still have to move the intestine in the middle. See that there is a black there inside, a thin one. That's the intestine. Then I'm going to lick in the middle because I cut before. Just slowly. See the intestine, and I will just pull it slowly, and there you go. That's the intestine. So I don't want to eat that. I will throw it. So this is now the clean one. So it's nice to eat. I think they still have more here in at the bottom. I need to take that one. It's so hard really to clean the shrimp. See? You just pull it. Then here we go. That's very clean now. And this is the remaining here. Few. Then I already did almost. There are some here I need to take because Andre he helped me, and then he don't know how to take the intestine, so I wanna take this one all. You see? That's the intestine. I wanna take that out. At here too. I will cook this one calamaris. So that is why when you go to the restaurant, this is pricey. I understand because it's so hard to clean, especially the calamaris. Very, very pricey. So this is easy to clean. All you have to do is take time to clean it. It's hard to clean, but when you after that it is, see, worth it to it. If you don't clean that, you eat the intestine. So here another one. Just pull the head. There. I learned this one from one of my friend here, our neighbor Marites. She teaches me how to clean the shrimp. There are some so hard to pull because it is, see, skinny on the intestine. You just pull it slowly because it is so fragile. See the intestine? There you go. Mostly of the people, they will just cook with shell, but me, I don't want. That's the fat. Look at the intestine, guys. You pull it slowly. See? If you don't miss that. Very hard to clean. Slippery. Sometimes you miss to pull. And I said that just cook that one. I said no. I wanna clean. Because he said that's so hard to clean. I said yeah. I know it's hard, but when you eat with clean food, see? Oh, the intestine. Just pull. Very nice to eat. See the intestine here and the bottom? I need to get that. But I don't have a nail. So hard for me to pull, but you just take time. See? Very tasty to eat, but when you clean, very hard. So that is why calamaris very pricey, because I'm sure they clean it like this way. See guys, if you just take time to clean, you will success. There. It's gonna be yummy. I'm going to cook calamaris, guys. There you go. That's the intestine. You won't get it. There you go. See the skinny one? There. So I'll be back, guys. Hi, guys. I am done cleaning the shrimp. Takes me an hour to clean. That was so nice to it's so nice to cook now. But sad to say I don't have I wanna cook calamaris, but no ingredients. I will just set this one on the ref, or maybe I'll just cook fry only. Put some veggies, and maybe next time I'm going to cook calamaris. I need to look for ingredients in the mall.